Rosie.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Today we are learning to draw a fireball falling down from the sky.
It also can be called a meteorite.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Today we're gonna use pencil and eraser. We're not use black marker. First of all, we are drawing with a pencil. Draw a circle, like a small circle. It's not that small, but try your best to draw a circle. Yeah, you could use your eraser if you draw not that perfect. Something like that, huh? Around this circle, draw an extended arc to the upper right, like from here, okay? Around the circle, and here, upper right, little bit, not that long, like here. Then draw an arc-shaped hook. Here, like arc-shaped hook. Yes. And draw 3 in the same direction, from this direction. Okay, 1, 2. You don't have the same, like some little tiny bit bigger, some smaller. 3. And the 3 one, the last one is the longer, okay? Longer, like here, okay? And then we draw other side. At this side, the curve hook is in the opposite direction, right? The opposite, like here. 2, 3. Yep, something like that. Now we draw the second layer of the flame around the circle first, right? And here, around the circle. Yeah, like here. And now the flame has changed a little bit. Okay, it's more arc than the one in the middle, more, okay? Draw an arc-shaped hook to the upper right at the smooth arcs. Okay, like, see here, the smooth, like here, okay? Yep, and try the second one. Yep, like that. And we can draw the silver. And the last one, longer. Yep, that's right. Other side is opposite, same, huh? Yeah, this part. So usually the connected parts like here are very sharp, okay? Which is the feeling of the flame, like sharp, like here. Here are the smooth arcs. And here, smooth, right? Connected, smooth arc. If not smooth enough, you could clean up and try one more time. Here, even you could like do a little bit this. Looks more natural. Good. Wow, wonderful. I like it. I like it, the shape. Okay. At the end, there's a small lamp on the both side. Yeah, like here. A little bit. One side here, another side, like a little bit like this. Remember when you draw fire, always remember, try to smooth arcs, okay? Yes, that's right. Okay, now we start the coloring. So I choose 5 color. The yellow, this is a lighter. This is the lemon yellow. And then the orange, right? The orange. And then red. Okay, let's begin. We are done.
Yeah, guys, look how cool it looks.
The falling ball falling down from the sky.
And did you know if you flip it like this, it looks like it's going this way?
Whoa, let me try. Whoa, really?
Look.
Could you feel the speed?
Look, they're hitting each other.
Yeah. Boom.
Boom, crash.
If like that, like. It's really cool. I really like it. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time. This is actually pretty hard.
Oh, yeah, but take your time to practice. Bye.